Welcome to part 2 of this video. This video is basically to show you how to install the flooring. It's pretty basic. You've got the male and female attachments and the clips on the outer side. The way to install this video is to put the 4 clips to the outside of the flooring and the 3 clips to the inner side of the flooring. It's pretty basic. All you really need to do is basically put the female attachments to the start of the wall or to the first tile, and what you do after that is basically lay down over the top of the clips, push it down. Basically again, 4 clips to the side, over the male and female attachment, vice versa, tile to tile. Now here with this part, you'll be putting 3 clips into 4 clips. So all you really need to do is lift it on a 45-degree angle and drop it down. Same goes with that tile, male and female part attached, 45-degree angle and down. Continue this down to however far and however long your flooring is. Basically 2 tiles together already. Same thing again. Now with the flooring, you have 2 clips on either side. What you do to install the corners is lift the tile, place it on 45, straight under, interlock straight in. Same thing again, 45, lift the floor, straight down. Corner piece, basically connecting 2 of the corners together. Just lift up, insert, push down. Continue this on throughout the whole floor. That's basically how quick it is to install. Thank you for watching the video.